YouTube. With that being said, just gonna wrap up that video. So today is the day. I do want to put something over this so bad. Do I got like old t-shirts? Nah, I don't. I don't. Anyway, y'all, today we will be installing our roof back into our vehicle, you know what I'm saying? So this is done. It's complete. Now it's just about getting this back in. And honestly, I feel like I can make these cuts in the car. But yeah, honestly, I don't know. We just gonna wait till we get to the car to figure out some extra stuff. But anyways, man, I hope y'all been liking this series, keeping up with it, and all that good stuff. But once we put this back in, something gotta come right back out. It always seems like once we get something situated, something gotta get fixed. Something gotta do that, da. But anyways, that's what come with it. I'm gonna let y'all find out what gotta come out of the car because it's something big. So I mean, it's only a lot of things that's big that gotta come out of the car, and I mean, I guess y'all see. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the car, but first we gotta get it out of the building. So I'm gonna let y'all check me out once I get it into the garage. So I'll be back. All right, so with a little bit of struggle and a little bit of irritation from these dogs in the way, we finally got it up here. And now we gotta get it all the way out there in the garage. So with that being said, I'm gonna take y'all to the garage and we're gonna go ahead and get this thing put in. I'm so tired. All right, Tyler, so we made it. We got the roof in the garage. Everything is ready to go. Only thing is, instead of, okay, so if y'all watch how I took the headliner out, the only difficult part was this passenger seat right here. So since it's already loose, I can go ahead and take this passenger seat out. And also, if y'all watch, y'all know that we painted the pillars, the A and the B pillars. I have to get the C pillars painted, but for right now, we got the A and B ones painted. So I'm gonna go ahead and move them from out of here. And then we're ready to go ahead and install this thing, man. And I do need to locate all my screws and stuff so we can have that situated. So with that being said, I'm gonna put y'all down and I'm gonna remove all the I'm gonna remove this seat or whatever and go from there.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking.
But nigga, not him. Turn this badge in. Y'all don't know about that, Hunter. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, bro, we had a little difficulty, but that come with it. But only one of these came out. Well, this one was starting to, so all we gotta do is bring the hot glue gun back out. This came out because this one's short, so I kind of figured this one was going to because I ripped it on accident. But like I said, we're gonna bring the hot glue gun back out. Try to get the thing back in. Let me see. Let me fix this real quick, then we'll get back to this video. All right, y'all, so we got two that came out of place, but that's why we wired it the way I wired it. Because if we was to just wire on one side and it was to bend and stuff, and you also need to leave extra room for it to move, because when you bend it, it'll start tugging. But only like a couple tub because I cut it either too short or this one just didn't have a hole. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our glue gun. We're gonna grab our glue gun, our hole poker. And we should be good right there. But other than that, y'all can see it went good. So I'm gonna catch y'all once I come back with the glue gun, and I'll be back.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all.
All right, y'all. So let me clean y'all off. All right, y'all. So the ceiling is in there, man. I'm gonna clean it off. But for right now, bro, this thing looking nice. This thing looking nice, man. Just the black itself is just looking nice. Like, it just look clean. And then when I paint the pillars and stuff, ooh, we got black floors. We got, man. And then we got this booty old color. But other than that, man, we gonna go ahead and set up where we're gonna place this light at. I was thinking I'm gonna remove this, but I'm thinking about bringing it all the way down on the side. That way the wire can... So, okay, now I'm in a better position. Bringing it down through the side because it's enough room. And, you know, connect the light here. That way the light cord can go straight to the fuse box back here. So that's gonna be the game plan, man. But for right now, we're gonna go ahead and get these things snipped up real quick and see how it look. Connect. Oh snap, y'all. We ain't got no device. Why is it not connecting? Is it cause my Bluetooth off? There we go. Alright, y'all. So y'all can see it's on. It's on. So now what we gotta do is snip them bad boys. So y'all go ahead. I'm gonna put y'all on the time lapse and we're gonna snip them. All right, y'all, so we back. We done. We literally got this stuff done, man. Right here, we're gonna have to cut off this little piece so this could slide right there and fit there snug. But other than that, so now we had to switch to a different phone. But like I was saying, ooh, dang. Nah, but like I was saying, the cross came out decent. RT, I can't understand it, bro. And then my 300 looked like my little nephew did that, but other than that, everything looked straight. The sway looked good. Everything looked good. Yup, we're gonna have that wire back there. And we got the black pillars done. But we got to cut back tomorrow, man. We got the roof in, that's the main thing. So I hope y'all mess with this. I might go ahead and give y'all a little, I don't know. I'm gonna see. But that's it, man, for today. I hope y'all stay entertained throughout this whole process. Now that we got the roof in, we on to something else. Hold on, let me turn this off. All right, y'all, but back to what I was saying. The next thing we have to do, like I was saying, we're gonna put it back together and stuff like that. But tonight, I'm shot. It's cold as heck, and my toes stuck. So, out of that whole process, I get this whole process like how difficult it was, probably like 4 out of 10. It wasn't hard. It was just little tedious things that could slow you down a little. But the next thing is engine parts. And like I said, I will let y'all know what we're doing with the engine, because it seems like once one big thing go in, another big thing come out. So if they give y'all a hint on anything, then there you go. But until next time, I'm gonna catch y'all, and we out.